Hi, this is Katie Ethington with Business 483B. I would just like to quickly go over my end of the lesson reflection here. A few things that I really liked about this case in regards to the Mumati case was definitely the negotiation part of this. And I love the negotiation part. It was definitely a great exercise. What I'd say I took the most away from this is finding what the key part of your negotiation is. What is it that you're not willing to compromise on? So for this case, I was on the side of the Mumati team, and we decided that the thing we would not compromise on was control. And the reason why control was so important was because of the values that we had set up as a company, and we did not feel comfortable with those values changing. Of course, number one was keeping the ingredients as being healthy, as being ethically sourced, which was so important, and basically avoiding having cheaper, less healthy alternatives be put in to save costs to the company. And that was our number one reason why we needed control. The important part about this is that when we went into the negotiations, we knew the things that we were not willing to compromise on. And I think it's really important to kind of realize, this is kind of our bottom line, and that's not going to move. And I believe it gives you a much stronger stance, so that rather than, being willing to compromise on some things is good, but having that solid stance so that whoever you're negotiating with knows you cannot be pushed around is very important. And so that's why I would say, like, the question I'm adding for this week is, what is the core of your company that you are not willing to compromise on? So that's just a quick recap of this week. Definitely an interesting week with the negotiations and everything. And thank you for listening.